and welcome to Metro Scan, a show that takes you across to Chennai, Kolkata and Mumbai for the latest news from the three metros. Finally, let's go to the commercial capital Mumbai, from where Shriti Shetty joins us for the day's main stories. Over to Shriti.
Come September and the nation would experience the joy of Giving Week. The week aims to bring together people from all walks of life to engage in acts of giving money, time, skills or simple acts of kindness. Well, the initiative was launched by none other than Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar and actor turned filmmaker Nandita Das. Moreover, cricketer Sachin Tendulkar spoke with underprivileged children to raise awareness about the upcoming Joy of Giving Week charity in Mumbai.
With an aim to get people from all walks of life together to engage in acts of giving money, time, skills or simple acts of kindness, making the society and the country a happier place to live in, Give India, an NGO, has come up with new initiative called the Joy of Giving Week, which will be celebrated from September 27th to October 3rd, 2009. Being celebrated all over India, the initiative was launched by none other than Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar and actor turned filmmaker Nandita Das. Having taken inspiration from his late father on social responsibilities, Sachin Tendulkar said that he will sponsor the education of 200 children who are part of an NGO. However, while sharing his thoughts, he recalled how 4 years ago in Chennai, a physically challenged person unable to get up from a wheelchair managed to stand up with the help of his cricket bat and played a couple of deliveries.
I was in Chennai about 4 years ago and we met physically challenged children, spastics, and the first day we met them and shook hands with them, and they had turned up while we were practicing, and believe me, somebody who could not stand on his own, the moment he saw my cricket bat, there was something he was dying to do. He somehow managed to stand with the help of my cricket bat and ended up playing a couple of cricket balls. And that gave more than him, that gave me so much satisfaction.
Actor turned filmmaker Nandita Das, who also participated in the event, said that her master's degree in social service had exposed her to the harsh reality of the life of the poor, and this inspired her to work for the upliftment.
तो मुझे सिर्फ आज कोई अपने बारे में क्या देती हूँ, जो देते हैं इतना कम देते हैं कि उसके बारे में बोलने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोग सभी देते हैं, हम लोग अपने अपने लेवल पे देते ही हैं, लेकिन क्या उसको हम और खींच सकते हैं? गुंजाइश मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हम सबकी जिंदगियों में है कि जितना हम देते हैं क्या उससे बढ़ के दे सकते हैं, थोड़ा कॉन्शियसली दे सकते हैं.
Meanwhile, Tendulkar was invited to help feed underprivileged children, and the audience was reminded that come September, the nation would experience a barrage of advertisements featuring celebrities like Sachin Tendulkar and Nandita Das, telling us how they have experienced the joy of giving and how we too can experience it. Varsha Arola for DD News, Mumbai.
Well, global warming, the biggest issue which should be addressed as soon as possible. All right, now that with all those interesting stories, it's a wrap from Mumbai, but we'll be back tomorrow evening with more updates from the commercial capital. Thanks for watching and have a nice evening. Good night.
Thanks, Shruti, for getting us all that. But that's all we have for you in Metro Scan for today. Don't forget to join us every Monday to Friday at 6:30 p.m. Do stay tuned for more on DD News. Namaskar.